On the occasion when distressing footage of the earthquake that shattered the Upper Basilica of San Francisco in Assisi, where we were working, was broadcast worldwide, we were stimulated to undertake transformative action. Our mission began in the aftermath of this catastrophic event. As news of the disaster spread around the world, we assumed the commitment to rebuild and recover Italy's historical, residential and architectural legacy. For over 30 years, G&P Intech Group has been recognized for its excellent service in the production of composite materials and devices in the field of anti-seismic solutions for the active sealing of underground water circuits, the creation of technological reinforcement equipment for bridges and tunnels, engineering consultancy, and technical assistance provided at work sites. Our mission extends beyond an emergency response, and we aspire to introduce proactive prevention, ensuring safety and resilience across the national territory. Specializing in highly advanced and innovative solutions such as structural reinforcement, FRP, FRCM, and CRM systems, and anti-seismic technologies, we have restored and rebuilt structures at worldwide level. The three principal factors at the core of our achievements are competence, experience, and innovation. Expertise and the skills acquired over many years of activity have resulted in opportunities arising in various countries around the world that are characterized by the presence of areas of high seismic risk. Our global organization has become involved in activities in the Balkans, Central and South America, the Middle East, and the Gulf area, also engaging in training and research programs aimed at determining the conditions for effective post-seismic reconstruction and the prevention of relative hazards. As guardians of the environment, we may be considered as pioneers in the ecological transition and circular economy. In terms of life cycle assessments, production of eco-sustainable reinforcement systems, and energy-saving solutions for buildings designed with an environmentally conscious approach. Join us in our efforts to shape the future, ensuring that construction work is performed adopting more secure and environmentally friendly methods.